Hi everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and take a quick look at a couple different cases from SUPCASE, and these are for the new Samsung Galaxy S20, and we're going to take a look at these. So SUPCASE did send these over to the channel for a little bit of an unboxing and initial first look, and I'm going to do that today in this video. So what I actually have is 3 different versions of the Unicorn Beetle Pro from SUPCASE. So a couple different colors of the Unicorn Beetle Pro, and then I have also 3 different colors of the Unicorn Beetle. So if you don't know about SUPCASE, you can definitely take a look at them. I have a link in the description below to Amazon. They sell a lot of, most of their cases I think they sell on Amazon. And they're really good cases. I've had one in the past for an iPhone. I never did a review on the channel for it or an unboxing just because I never got around to it because it was for an iPhone 7. You know, things change so fast, and then iPhone 10 came out and all that stuff. So, but anyways, we'll take a look at these. And we'll start with the smaller cases. So we'll start with the Unicorn Beetles. And I got these in black, navy, and purple. So let's start with the black. And I don't yet have a Galaxy S20 to do this, so I'm going to use this dummy mock phone here. So we'll just take a look at these. So this is in a nice package. Kind of got this kind of hexagon-ish sort of pattern on there. And so all 3 of these cases, these Unicorn Beetle cases, have clear backs. And then it's basically a TPU rubber on the edges and then the clear back. So you can see the color of your phone, all that. And this must have a bunch of static because I'm getting all kinds of dust on there. But anyways, so here's the black. The black looks like. And you can see obviously the black of this dummy phone. I'm assuming the dummy phone is kind of a 1-for-1 replica of the real phone. So in that case it should work. So here you have your power button, your volume up down. It's on the right hand side. Camera cut out there. So the black is, so it's got the black and it's kind of got a gray trim piece. So it's black and gray. So next we'll take a look at the navy. And let's, oh, I forgot, in the first one there was also one of these. So SUPCASE, thanks for your support. A little bit of information, how to get to their social media. And this is what they're calling navy. Not navy, it's more of kind of a, this is kind of like electric-ish blue. Actually kind of like the T is for Tech colors that I use. And this almost looks like a little purplish. So it's like a purpley blue with lighter blue trim. This kind of gives you this sort of look. So again, darker blue, lighter blue. Obviously same fitment. You can see the button placement a little bit better on the blue than the black. Yeah, so that's the blue, or the navy at least, what they call it. So this is purple, again, kind of a 2-tone, darker purple, lighter purple, same materials, kind of TPU material. Fits really nice on the phone. And I will point out, it does have quite a bit of a lip here. I don't know if you can see that. So if you do put it down on the table, it's not, or on a flat surface, it's not gonna, the screen is not gonna touch. So that's nice. There's a little bit of a cutout at the top on all of these as well for the ear speaker up there. It's not really a cutout, but just like a little bit of an indentation at the top. So yeah, I mean, all in all, a pretty nice feeling case. Gives a decent amount of grip on the sides. There's not a lot of resistance here. It's kind of slick, but the material itself allows you to get a pretty decent grip on it. So not going to go sliding around too much if you have this case. So again, this is one of the sorts of cases where if you want to see the black of the phone or the gray or eventual other colors that they come out with for the Samsung S20 series, these cases have a good kind of clear back on them. Now this might scratch a little bit, right? So the back being plastic, I'm not really sure. I mean, it looks like it could scratch, but it also seems to be pretty hard. It's not soft, right? So this is kind of a hard plastic, softer on the edges. So it should give you some decent drop protection. Yeah. But if you're looking for something more sturdy than that, you can take a look at the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Now this is a pretty monstrous case. I've already kind of taken a look at this. And this is like the, I mean, hefty duty guy. So there's some information around installation, you know, but this is kind of like the OtterBox, the super heavy duty cases, right? If you want to have the belt clip on there, right? You know, this is this whole contraption to protect the phone. And it's a multi-part case as well. So it's a multi-part case that kind of snaps together. Yeah, so this is pretty hefty duty. I'm not typically a fan of the wearing a belt clip. I know some people like it, especially folks that are, if you're out and about working and you know you need something that's really tough to kind of protect the phone and you don't want to have it in your pocket. You know, something like this is pretty good for that scenario. I'm personally not all about it, but but it's hefty duty. But you don't need to use this with the rest of the case. I mean, if you just want to use this case itself, you definitely can do that. You don't have to use the whole thing. So basically, you just kind of got to pull this apart, and it consists of this front rim, like this front rim locking piece, and then a back kind of more semi-rigid, but also TPU, some TPU on the inside, TPU on the edge. Now these are the Unicorn Beetle Pro has drop protection. So I mean, this is obviously a hefty duty case. You know, they say that this is you know, military standard, drop tested, etc. I think they have a video on their website you can take a look at. I'm not going to be dropping this dummy phone, but you know, it might be something if you're interested to take a look at. But it is basically plastic and TPU two-part case with the front lip that kind of snaps the phone in. So the way that you're supposed to do this is put this on the phone. So you put the front piece on the phone, and then basically you kind of plop it into the case, kind of push the bottom piece in first, and then snap the rest in. So then that is pretty hefty duty. It gives you a huge lip on the front. So you're definitely going to protect the screen kind of all the way around. Because of that plastic piece, you've got a lot of protection there. So with this, you also have a port cover for the USB-C port at the bottom, rubber TPU material. And what's cool about these is that you have a stand as well. So you can stand the phone a couple different ways by using this kind of sliding mechanism. So you kind of grab it from this little indentation, and then you can pull it up and it locks in place. So I guess what's nice about that is you can do the vertical prop and stand it up vertically. Some of the other cases that have like the little flimsy piece that pops out, you can't really do this vertical stand with those. So that's just something to think about. This has a pretty hefty stand there. And then you also get a pretty big indentation around the camera cutout, so it gives you a lot of protection there so you don't smash your lens or something like that. Has a UB Pro, a logo there. All in all, pretty nice case. Very textured side here. I don't know if you can see that. It's got the textured grip on the sides. Very positive feeling on the volume rockers and the power button. Yeah, so this is the black. Actually, don't know why I didn't put it in here. I'll do it with the next one. Kind of what it looks like. So most of the case is actually black, and then it has purple accents on the hard piece of it. So like the plastic piece is this purple, and the rest of it is black TPU. It's got to be real careful when you're doing this so you don't snap the plastic. Okay, so kind of put this on the phone. So there you go, this is the purple. You can see a little bit better what this looks like, how it fits. So you can use this to clip on a belt or whatever you would want to clip it on. Release is pretty easy. Just kind of pops right out. Kind of looks like you can put it either way also. So you can snap it in this way, or if you want to snap it in the other way, it doesn't seem like it makes any difference. But yeah, I mean, this is hefty. This is pretty hefty duty. So that's the purple. And then the last one is a blue. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it's kind of a metallic blue, so it really shines more so than the purple. Purple had a little bit of metallic in it as well, but this one really pops. Yeah, I like the blue. That's pretty sharp. So very nice color. Again, same exact thing as the other ones. So, I mean, if you're in the market for a super rugged case, and this does twist 360 degrees also, so you can kind of position this pretty much any way you would like. So if you're in the market for a super heavy duty case, definitely take a look at the Unicorn Beetle Pro by SUPCASE. Or if you want something a little less bulky, just go for the Unicorn Beetle. So I'll drop the links to these on Amazon in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and ask away. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.